Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while, I know, but I will get into that later, so keep watching. But today I'm going to my boyfriend's cousin's quince. Decided to show you guys my makeup look. So yeah, it's just a burgundy eye, and I have a winged liner with black eyeshadow. So if you guys want to know how I got this makeup look, just keep watching. So I'm just gonna start off. I have a shirt on, so I'm not naked, but my camera decided not to film while I was prepping my face, so I just put on a little bit of Smashbox primer and some color corrector under my eyes just to brighten up my face a little bit. So I'm going to get in now to my face makeup. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline Dream Cushion foundation. I actually really love this foundation just because it's a cushion foundation. So as you can see, it's like it's not a pump or anything, like it's a cushion foundation. I'm going to be taking my beauty blender, just put that all over my face. So let's get into what I've been doing with my life. So I've been super busy. That's why I haven't been filming a lot. Just because like I've been doing a lot of modeling recently, and it's hard for me to film because I've been doing a bunch of castings, and my agency, my contract says that I can't film during castings, which is perfectly fine. I mean, that's really acceptable. Like, it doesn't look good if you film while you're there anyways. So I mean, I do castings all day long, so I'm always running around doing castings. And my personal life, school, girl, who let me take public speaking online? Honestly, like, it's not a tough class, it's just a tough class because it's not easy. I just don't like public speaking, and making videos once a week, it's just hard. So I mean, but I only have, let's say, I think a week left. Like next week I finish my classes, and so I am done with my summer classes, and I am ecstatic. I'm just so ready to be done with school, but I still have a long way to go. So as you can see with like my foundation, it obviously like matches my body now, but you could still see like my redness on my forehead, like little marks I have on my skin, which I don't mind because I do like a more natural foundation. I don't like using like too much foundation on my skin. So now I'm going to be taking my Fallible Total Cover by L'Oreal, and this is a palette that I use for my color corrector, but I like taking like the orangey and like the yellowy shades and using that as concealer because I don't like concealer. I don't know why. I just don't know why. But I like this because it like really brightens up the skin, because it's meant to do that. It's like meant to brighten up your skin. And it's super light. Like, it's not as thick as like concealers usually are. So I like this to just as concealer and just brighten up my face. Just a little highlight, you know? So I'm just putting this like under my eyes, my chin, my forehead, just the areas obviously that you would highlight, and just keep blending until you got how you wanted it to look. Yeah, so I've been just, you know, like I said, like modeling, school. Now I have a whole bunch of trips planned. I'm going to Busch Gardens with my boyfriend. I got us like the annual pass, but they're called like fun cards because it's not like an annual pass. Like, it's up until like the end of the year, and I got it for Valentine's Day, and we only did it once. We've only gone once in February, so I was like, we gotta go. Adventure Island is open. We got these fun cards. We need to go now. So we're going, and I'm excited because, I don't know, we're gonna go for the weekend in 2 weeks. Oh, now I'm taking my contour kit from Anastasia, and I like taking the beauty blender in the banana-y color, and putting that like under my eye because like my skin's super dry. So this just, I don't know, I just do it. So for some reason my camera stopped again. I need to figure that out. But I'm just taking the like colors again, the banana color, and just patting that on my skin just because I'm going to go in with some contour now and I don't want it to look patchy. So yeah, but I have a bunch of stuff that I'm doing and I'm excited because I don't know, I love to travel, I love doing things, I hate being home bored. So, you know, and now that school's gonna be over soon, like, you know, it's gonna be fun for me to do something with my life. Like, I think we're planning on going to Australia. We are planning on going to Australia with his mom in August. And then I have swim week in July. And I think I'm going to New York in July too for a fashion show. I don't know. I'm just super excited for everything that's coming in my way. Alright. I'm going to try this one last time before I lose my mind. I think I figured it out finally. I've had so many people try to help me, and if it doesn't work, I'm gonna go crazy. But finally, let's get into the eyes. And I'm just doing like a really burgundy, like smoky, but it's like, I don't know how to explain it, but we're just gonna get into it. So now I have my Morphe 9A palette. I literally just got it for the black color because why not? But I like that it has like this big mirror, and these are literally the colors I use, so it's great for like traveling because I'm gonna do a lot of traveling. So I'm taking Witness and Myself, and these are just like warm brownish colors, and I'm just gonna pack that onto my lid and blend upwards. So usually this is like the look I'll do, like if I'm doing a casting or something, like I'll literally just wear this. But we're not going to casting, we're going full glam on everyone. So now I'm gonna be taking the Lorac Unzipped palette, and I love these colors even though they're like super dark and definitely not something I could wear every day, but I love them. And so I'm going to be taking Unbridled, which is like that burgundy color, and literally just packing that onto my lid and kind of blending it, but we're going to blend it with the other colors again in a little. But yeah, I'm just super excited because I'm going to be traveling a lot now, and I love traveling, and you know, it's just a good experience to see something different. Like, I've never been to Australia, so, and it's so different from like America. And honestly, I'm so grateful for like everything, because I don't know, I'm just really happy that I have like the opportunity to go to Australia. I have the opportunity to be in Miami Swim Week. I have the opportunity to go to New York and do fashion shows. Like, I don't know, it's just like, I'm super happy. And like, I'm literally packing it all over my lid because I want the burgundy to like pop, and then I'm going to be blending it now again with the Witness and Myself, just to blend those two colors together, just so it's not like there's no harsh lines. And I'm going to be blending that color up again. So now to get to the fun part and the very scary part, because I don't know how to do a wing liner. But we're going to be just taking this wing, like, angled brush thing, and taking the color Storm, that black color in the Morphe 9A palette, and winging it. We're just going to, literally winging it, because I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just going to, look at me struggling. Just wing it out first to get that wing like where I want it. I hate when it's not even. When it's not equal. Oh my goodness. Okay, so then now we're just gonna connect it and make it a whole wing thing, you know, the whole jazz of it all. And I like using like shadows because you can like blend it and like build it up with like an actual like eyeliner. It's not the case. You can't do that. You're just gonna make it work, and I can't do that. Gosh dang it, I already messed up. Like, let me do this. Who decided not to do a wing liner? Because it wasn't me. Alright, so I added more burgundy to my lid and just touched up my face, put on mascara, and now I'm going to finish this look once and for all. So I'm going to add some... What? Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Alright, so I'm going to add some setting spray. I'm using the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Now we're going to add some highlight. I like using the Laura Mercier Light Struck palette. It's like a it's not like powder, it's like a gel kind of, and I like using that big, it's kind of like a gold color, and just using that like on here because I don't like too much highlight. Like, it looks pink, but it's not pink. We're gonna do some eyebrows, so just brushing it, and with my NYX eyebrow shaper we're going to just set those babies in place. Now to complete this look, some lipstick, and I'm using Twig by MAC. Look at this. How can I use this? I don't know, but we're gonna make it work. Always something goes wrong. There's always something that goes wrong. Like, I can't do a video without something going wrong, for sure. Like, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and hope you guys learned something new. You know, like I always say in every video, like, comment, and subscribe, all that fun stuff. Follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter. Everything is down below, because that's where I actually picked this makeup look. So if you guys want to see more content, if you have anything you guys want me to do or make a video on, send it my way. I'm always taking suggestions. So I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you.